I'm just so mad because I thought I was doing something good. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of Domino. In this week's video, I'll be working on a lot of little projects that make a huge difference when it comes to what Domino looks like. So give me a second. Let me go grab one of those little things. Okay, so this is the fake grass that I purchased from Amazon. It is 3.3 feet by 5 feet. So let me open this up and see what it looks like. It looked really nice online and I just hope it doesn't look like super fake. Ow. Oh my gosh. This looks so nice. I love it. I really do like this. It is so much. This is gonna be great. I was thinking about making my steps area into a shower, like the last step, maybe cut a drain hole in it, and then, you know, get some black shower curtains. So if ever I needed to take a shower, I never, really had to step outside. I could just do it right in Domino. So just thinking ahead, I purchased this artificial grass that had the drain holes in it, just in case I want to switch it up. So this is what my steps look like currently, and what I want to do with this artificial grass is basically have it here, and right when you walk in, have it over here. But the first thing that I need to do is remove this nasty plastic and see what it looks like underneath. So to be honest, I don't think I'm really shocked at how nasty it is under there, because like no matter how much I clean the steps, it's always like dust that seems to find its way back in Domino. So at least I know where the source of all this nastiness is from. So let me go ahead and sweep off this first step and then remove the next one. Okie doke, one down, one more to go. I had to like put something over my locks because it's just so dusty. I did not realize it was going to be so much nastiness and dirt under there, and I'm pretty sure I probably got some nastiness in my hair now. I'm literally out of breath, and let's see, it's a little sweat on the temple. That just, yeah, one of the screws basically was stripped, so it was hard for me to get it out, so I had to use some little muscles or whatever. So now I'm just gonna sweep this up and see what I'm working with. Luckily it's not as bad as the other one. This evening when the sun goes down, I'm gonna come out with a bucket, some hot water, and go to work on these steps. Let's work on the area that's to the right, like right when you walk in. So this is an odd shape. I do actually have enough flooring, but I really do think that the fake grass will look really pretty up in this area. It'll just kind of flow over here. So because I can't do simple math, my first cut was like way off. I don't know what I was adding up, but the piece that I cut off will be able to fit as one of the steps. Okay. I don't even know how to start. I just feel so stupid. Like, I'll just show you. So I come in to like look and measure it, be like, okay, this is right. You know, this is actually really perfect. It fits great, doesn't it? Yeah, it fits. If the grass was freaking on the top of this, like I cut it upside down, I just don't know what I was thinking. I'm so silly. I did not. So this is all just wasted. But this is it. This is the last piece that I have to make this crap work. I cannot believe I was out there in the elements cutting this, all happy, thinking I was doing it. But it's crap to be like upside down. I don't know what to say. Let me have some water. Cause I'm just like, so here is an inside view just to see what it'll look like. I think it's super cute. Serious overcast. I'm not sure if it is going to rain or not anytime soon. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and take full advantage of this nice cool breeze and go ahead and clean up these nasty floors. I think that is all for today. I got a lot of it up, but not enough for me because I'm gonna paint over it with like a rust protector in that area. So I really want to get it as flat as possible. But yeah, Domino is a mess right now, so I'm just gonna clean it up because I hate getting in Domino the next morning to work on it and it's a complete mess. So let's see, it's still so much better than what it was yesterday, but I forgot I actually had these in the house. These are like little wire buffer thingies that you can use in a power drill. So I'm gonna use these and see if it can pick up the rest of the nasty. Well, that ended as fast as it began. I went through 2 freaking batteries. Look at that. I'm finished. And I'm happy with how it looks. This is literally as good as it's gonna get. That was a lot. I did not expect to like do all of that for this little bitty space. Like, that was a lot, but look at how it looks. The area is all nice and clean. So what I'm gonna do is tape off Watch Your Step. It's a little, you know, weathered, but you know, it belongs to the bus. Ooh, all of this pretty shimmer after the first coat. Now it's time for round two. This is round 2's sparkles. Everything is dried and this is what it looks like. I actually like it how it is, really. I'm gonna put the grass on, check it out, and see what it looks like. Gosh, I actually really like it as is. The sun is really messing up the view, but this is freaking cute. Okay, so moving on to the next part is the trim that I bought for the steps. The trim is going to go here and along this area here to just make it look nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to trim off the front area up here. I have enough. I bought 2 of these and I think it's about 6 feet tall. Oh yeah, and this spot right here. That was intense. That was my first time using a angle grinder and my first time cutting anything other than wood. Yeah, 1 star. I do not recommend. No, I don't like it. I'm just gonna stick to wood moving forward. But what's next? I'm gonna file down the jagged edges and then I'll be able to spray paint it and put it on the stairs finally. I am so done. I'm just tired. I want this project to be done. So that area, I don't think I'm actually going to nail that down because it's hollow. Now that the area has dried a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this Rust-Oleum hammered all-surface durable top coat. Basically, it's supposed to protect, you know, high traffic areas, you know, from scratches and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna put it on there for shits and giggles just to protect the color. I think I just messed up really bad by doing that. You see the color just got kind of faded or whatever, especially right here. Which, I guess it doesn't matter because that will be under the grass. But this happened. So I'm sad, so I have to repaint that. I'm really mad because it looks so bad. I just went over it with the rest of gold spray paint and I just messed it up even more. And I'm just so mad because I thought I was doing something good to like protect it and I just messed it up. So this is what it looks like. It is all textured now. Oh, it looks so bad. And yeah, you can't see it from afar. I mean, no, you can. That piece right there, you can see that. I'm upset. Okay, the question now is, am I upset enough to redo it? The answer is no. I don't feel like redoing it. I am so done with these steps. No, I'm not gonna redo it. I may redo it later in the future, but I'm not. So do you want to see what it looks like? Good morning, everyone. It is a new day, actually day 3 of stairs, and to be honest, with a clear mind and everything after sleeping on it, the stairs really don't look that bad and I'm not gonna change it. So everything is now dry. This is what it looks like, you know, from afar, and it really does have its little moments up close. Okie dokie, hopefully you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if that's something you like. See you guys next week. Bye.